Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's episode of RV Cooking, we're making glazed pork chops. And I have a package of boneless pork chops. And they're about a half inch thick, if not an inch thick. And what we're going to do, we're going to season these guys up. We're going to sear them off in our Ninja possible cooker. We love this thing going camping with. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. And we're going to do both sides. And we're just going to sear them off before we slow cook them all day. And you can use white wine or champagne for this. I have salt and pepper. Now I'm putting in some smoked paprika. You can use sweet if that's what you have. Use what you got, guys. And some powdered garlic. All right, I'm gonna put some oil down. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Our famous watchdog there. People can't walk the walking path without her barking. She owns the park. At least she thinks so. Alright, we're just going to sear these a couple minutes on each side. Okay, I'm going to take these out now. Just slow cooking. And we're going to turn it down on low. And we're going to go low and slow for 6 to 7 hours. You can cook this on high. Just cut the time in half. I have 1 small chopped onion. Okay, I'm going to put a cup of wine in. And I always have these guys for cooking. They're little tiny bottles. And they're perfect. Like I said, you could use champagne. And I need 1 cup. And I need a smidgen of the other one. and a sip for the cook.
What about the cameraman?
Okay, cameraman. Perfect. Okay, and next, and in this jar, it's not salsa, I made some bone broth, which I put in the dog's food. So we're gonna use a half a cup of it. And you can use chicken broth, vegetable broth, beef broth, or your homemade bone broth. That would work. And we're going to go in with a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm just going to eyeball these guys. And 2 tablespoons of honey. And we're going to go in with 3 cloves of garlic. I would say that's 3. We're going to go in with a tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm using low sodium. And that's going to be like 3 teaspoons. Whoops, it's a little much. There we go. And some dry thyme, about a teaspoon or so. Because right now we're making the glaze. It's a good pinch. And I'm going to stir this around. Okay. And we're going to put the pork chops back in. And the juices. Okay, guys. That is that. And I'm going to put a little bit of the sauce and stuff over top. There we go. And we're going to put the lid on. And we'll see you guys back in 7 hours. Okay, guys, dinner is done. And you can thicken up the sauce if you like. I chose not to. I'm just going to pour a little bit over. Just a smidgen. Just to keep it moist. And we have corn on the cob. And this is what's for dinner. That smells great. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.